him out here and wants to yank it off. Is it coming? Yeah, it's far away.
Don't rip his bubble off.
Yeah, no, be careful.
It wasn't his passing quick.
Okay, hold on.
Don't bite me.
Monster sat on a mouse, or he sat on a mouse trap, a glue trap. I'm just freaking out. You okay, Bentley? You okay?
My butt. My buttocks.
Did you run for your life?
He's scary.
Did you run for your life, Bentley? I bet he sticks to the floor. Is there still some glue on his butt?
Probably.
Come here, BB. Come on. Yeah, he won't get up. BB sat on a glue trap.